Hello and welcome to Harmony Haven, your ultimate guide to wellness and vitality. We're all about promoting fitness, workout routines, and health tips to empower you on your quest for a healthier lifestyle. Harmony Haven is here to help you on your journey to better health. Yoga, the ancient practice from India, is a treasure trove of health benefits. This centuries-old discipline offers more than just physical fitness. It's an amalgamation of body, mind, and spirit, bringing about a sense of balance and inner peace. Yoga's myriad benefits span from stress reduction to improved flexibility and increased strength. The practice of yoga helps calm the mind, reducing anxiety and tension. It enhances flexibility, allowing us to move with ease and grace. Moreover, it builds strength, not just in our bodies but in our minds and spirits as well. Central to yoga are the asanas, or poses, each with its own unique benefits and significance. These asanas form the core of any yoga practice, working in harmony to offer a holistic approach to health and well-being. Today, we delve into one such yoga asana, the warrior2 or Virabhadrasana2. This powerful pose embodies the spirit of a warrior and offers a multitude of benefits for both body and mind. Warrior2 or Virabhadrasana2 is a powerful and grounding yoga pose. A cornerstone of many yoga practices, this pose embodies the spirit of a warrior, offering a blend of strength, grace, and focus. The foundation of the Warrior2 pose lies in the stance. Begin with your feet wide apart, around 3 to 4 feet distance. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. The heel of your right foot should align with the center of your left foot. This is your starting position. Moving on to the arms, extend them out to the sides, reaching in opposite directions. Your arms should be parallel to the floor, with your palms facing down. This position not only strengthens your arms, but also opens up your chest and shoulders, promoting better posture and breathing. The gaze, or drishti in Warrior2, is just as important as the stance and arm positioning. Turn your head to gaze out over your right fingertips. This focused gaze aids in cultivating concentration and intention, drawing you into the present moment. Now, let's talk about the benefits of the Warrior2 pose. As a standing pose, it works to improve your balance and stability, engaging your core and lower body muscles. It strengthens your legs, ankles, and feet, while also stretching your hips and inner thighs. The arm extension enhances the strength of your shoulders and arms. Moreover, the focused gaze sharpens your concentration skills, helping you to stay present and mindful. But the Warrior2 pose isn't just about physical strength and balance. It's also about inner strength. It encourages resilience, determination, and courage. Much like a warrior, it reminds us that we have the power to stand strong even in the face of challenges. In essence, the Warrior2 pose is a holistic practice. It combines physical exertion with mental focus, fostering a sense of harmony between the body and mind. It's a testament to the transformative power of yoga, showing us that we can be both strong and calm, powerful and serene. Now, let's break down the Warrior2 pose step by step. Getting into the Warrior2 pose involves a series of careful movements. The journey from a simple standing position to the final Warrior2 pose is a dance of strength, balance, and mindfulness. Let's begin with our feet. Stand tall and confident at the top of your mat, feet hip-width apart. This is Tadasana, or mountain pose, the foundation of all standing poses in yoga. Feel the earth beneath your feet, grounding you and providing stability. Now, step your feet wide apart, about 3 to 4 feet. Turn your right foot out to 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly, about 15 degrees. This sets the stage for our Warrior2 pose. Let's move on to our arms. Extend your arms out to the sides, reaching in opposite directions. Your arms should be parallel to the floor, strong and engaged. Keep your shoulders relaxed, not hunched, and feel the energy radiating from your fingertips. Now, it's time to bend our right knee. Make sure your knee is directly above your ankle, forming a right angle. Your knee should not go beyond your toes. This alignment is essential to protect your knee joint and to fully engage the leg muscles. As you bend your knee, don't forget about your back foot. It should remain firmly grounded, with the outer edge of the foot parallel to the back edge of the mat. Feel the stretch in your calf and thigh as you maintain this powerful stance. Our gaze, or drishti, in Warrior 2 is over the middle finger of the front hand. This is more than just a point of focus. It's a symbol of looking forward with determination and courage, embodying the spirit of a warrior. Let's not forget about our breath. In yoga, our breath is our life force, our prana. As you hold the pose, breathe deeply and evenly. Each inhale brings energy, and each exhale releases tension. In Warrior 2, our body expands in all directions. Our arms reach out wide, our legs are grounded and strong, our gaze is steady and forward. It's a pose of expansion, of taking up space, and of powerful presence. However, it's not enough to merely hold the pose. Yoga is about mindfulness and connection. As you hold Warrior 2, connect with your body. Feel the strength in your legs, the stretch in your arms, the steadiness of your gaze. Notice your breath. Is it shallow or deep, fast or slow? Can you make it smoother, more even, more calming? Remember, everybody is different, and your Warrior 2 might look different than someone else's. That's perfectly okay. Yoga is not about achieving the perfect pose, but about the journey of exploration and self-discovery. If you're new to Warrior 2, you might find the pose challenging at first. Your legs might shake, your arms might feel heavy. Be patient with yourself. With consistent practice, your strength and endurance will improve. Also, feel free to use yoga props, like a block or a strap, to support you in the pose. Props are not a sign of weakness, but a tool to help you practice safely and effectively. Lastly, always listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or pain, gently come out of the pose. Yoga should never hurt. It's a practice of kindness and respect towards our body. With practice, you will find grace and power in your Warrior 2 pose. It's a pose that embodies strength, courage, and mindfulness. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep discovering the warrior within you. While the Warrior 2 pose is generally safe for all, some precautions are necessary. First and foremost, yoga is not about pushing yourself to the point of pain or discomfort. If you feel any strain during the Warrior 2 pose, gently ease out of the pose and rest. For beginners or those with less flexibility, consider using a yoga block under the hand that reaches towards the ground. This can provide additional support and stability, allowing you to gradually increase your flexibility over time. If you have existing shoulder issues, be mindful of how you hold your arms. Instead of reaching out to the sides, it might be more comfortable to keep your hands on your hips or use a strap to help maintain alignment without straining your shoulders. For individuals with high blood pressure or heart conditions, it's advisable to keep your gaze forward rather than turning your head to look over your front hand. This can help maintain a more neutral blood pressure level throughout the pose. Pregnant practitioners or those with balance issues may find it helpful to practice the pose with their back against a wall for additional support. And remember, it's okay to adjust the width between your feet to find a stance that feels stable and comfortable for you. Lastly, always remember to breathe. The breath helps guide the movement and keeps you grounded in the practice. Remember, yoga is about listening to your body and practicing with mindfulness. So that was the Warrior 2 pose, a great addition to your yoga practice. Let's take a moment to recap. The Warrior 2 pose, or Virabhadrasana2, is a powerful stance that strengthens your legs, opens up your chest and shoulders, and challenges your balance. In doing this pose, remember to spread your feet wide apart. Turn your right foot out and your left foot slightly in. Stretch your arms out to the sides and bend your right knee, aligning it with your right ankle. Keep your gaze over your right hand and breathe. This pose is not just about physical strength, but also about inner strength. It's a pose that can help you find balance in your body and your mind. And remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. So don't rush. Take your time. Listen to your body and make this pose a part of your regular yoga practice. As you continue your journey to health and wellness, don't forget that Harmony Haven is here to guide you. We're excited to share more fitness tips, wellness advice, and yoga poses with you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to Harmony Haven for more fitness and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay strong.